Hi, Ingel here, Resene Wallpaper Professional. I'm here today to give you some tips and tricks on how to hang paste-the-wall wallpaper. Now, I'm sure a lot of you remember Grandma's wallpaper in a bedroom or a lounge. Believe me, it's changed a lot since then. It's a lot easier, a lot simpler to hang. A common problem people encounter is running out of wallpaper. This results in not being able to get the same wallpaper or only being able to get a different batch. The way around this is to take your measurements into a Resene ColorShop and they'll be able to point you in the right direction. Once you've selected your wallpaper, I cannot stress enough how important it is to read the label. It has information on it such as the type of paper, the pattern drop and the paste to use. Another thing to consider is the size of the pattern. If your pattern is too large for a small room, it can make the room feel really small. Now this is something I see all the time. When people cut the top or the bottom of the wallpaper off, they often create a jagged edge. The way to get around this is to hold your knife at least a 45-degree angle to the surface. Handy tip. Once the wallpaper is dry and you encounter some bubbles in that wallpaper, get a very sharp knife, slit the bubble, poke a little bit of paste in behind there, smooth it off, and you'll be fine. There's a lot to wallpapering, but the key thing to remember is take your time. Plan your room and you'll get there.